Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 11 system. First of all, we need to open View Advanced System Settings. So search it and click. Now it will open System Properties window. From here, click on Settings and click on Adjust for Best Performance. Now we need to check these two boxes. After that, click on Apply and then OK. Now click on OK. Now move to the next one. Go to search bar and simply type here services, then click here to open it. On this window, just scroll down and search for Windows Update. Right click on it, select properties, and from startup type select disabled. Then we need to apply save changes. After that, click on stop and select OK. Now close this window and move to the next step. That will be go to search bar, type here edit group policy and click here to open it. It will open local group policy editor window. Then from computer configuration, expand administrative templates, then expand Windows components. Now expand Windows update and select manage and end user experience. Select standard. On the right side, we need to select configure automatic update. Right click on it, select edit, then check this disabled, select apply and OK. Now close this window. Now select run, type here time and click on OK. We can open run by pressing Windows plus R together. Once you are here, select all these files, right click on it and select delete. Just delete them all. Once done, close this window. Again press Windows plus R key together to open run and then type here %temp% and open it. Now again select all this file and press delete button from your keyboard. Delete all the files. Once done, close this. Again open run and type here prefetch and click on OK. Do the same process for this one also. Select all files and delete them all. Close this and simply move to the next step. Go to search bar and type here disk cleanup, then click here to open it. Select the drive, click on OK. Now files to delete. So now here we need to select OK and it will take some time to complete the process to clean the drive. Once done, uncheck this one and after that uncheck delivery optimization pages and click on OK. Select delete. Once done, we need to restart our system and that's it guys, your problem will be solved. You're good to go.